Concept question. Are the graphs of the following equations symmetric with respect to the x-axis or y-axis? Break. One, y equals x squared. 2, y equals x cubed. 3, x equals y squared minus 3. And 4, y equals the absolute value of x. Stop. N R N for this concept question. Note: along with symmetry with respect to either axis, break, there is also symmetry with respect to the origin. Stop. Along with symmetry with respect to either axis, there is also symmetry with respect to the origin. Question. Symmetry with respect to the origin is defined as follows. Break. The graph of an equation is symmetric with respect to the origin if blank. Stop. Answer. Symmetry with respect to the origin is defined as the graph of an equation. Let me repeat and make a correction. Symmetry with respect to the origin is defined as follows. The graph of an equation is symmetric with respect to the origin if replacing x with negative x and y with negative y results in an equivalent equation. Note: in other words, the graph of an equation is symmetric with respect to the origin. Break. If we multiply all the domain values by -1 and also all the range values by -1, break, the result is an equivalent equation. Stop. So to repeat, in other words, the graph of an equation is symmetric with respect to the origin if we multiply all the domain values by 1 and all the range values by 1, and this results in an equivalent equation. Concept question. Is the following function symmetric with respect to the origin? Break. F of x equals x cubed. Stop. Concept question number 2. Is the graph of the relation x squared plus y squared equals 16 symmetric with respect to the y-axis? Correction. Symmetric with respect to the origin. Stop. Write your answers to both concept questions on a separate piece of paper. N, R, N for both concept questions.